Hi students, we've looked at darkness, darkness. I've discussed it as kind of a sneak into the near future when we begin the part 2 segment of beginning guitar. The interesting thing about this is the strum, and the strum is now what's written up here is the measure. So it starts off down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. The next strum is a down. It's the same pattern, only on the D7 sus2 chord. So on the first chord, this D sus2, it's as if you're playing a D. There you go. It's as if you're playing a D, but you remove your second finger. Here's a D. With the second finger removed, you just have the first finger here and the third finger here. And the strum is that's the D sus. That's the D sus. There we go. So it's and again it's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, switch, down, down, up, switch. Now the chords are C sus2, that's the D minus the second finger. D7 sus2 is a D7th minus the second finger, oh, excuse me, the ring finger. Then the C is traditional, basic C. That's the point where you change. So it's looking at the lyrics. It's kind of high too. 3, 1, 2, 3. Darkness, darkness, be my pillow. Take my head and let me sleep. That was a G to D sus. For the things I cannot believe, keep my mind from constant turning toward the things I cannot see. Now, the C add 9 is this chord right here. And if you notice, it looks like a G that's been shrunken inward. In other words, where the first finger normally on the G chord is on the A string, it moves down to the D. And where the second string is usually on the E string, now it moves down to the A. And when the third finger is usually on the high E string, it moves into the B. And of course it looks like this, like a squished G. Here's a G, and you moved it in every direction inward. So you have this there, you have this finger, first finger on the D string, and then the second finger on the A string. and then at the end you play a C, add 9, then a G, all right, have fun with that, student.